What's up, guys? Welcome again to Orquiza Garage. Today I'm doing just a spark plug replacement for 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 2.4 two-wheel drive. Alright, so I get the parts from Rock Auto. The original, I think, is a Champion. So this Iridium Champion and AC Delco. Alright, so I'm just gonna set up my camera and then my tools. Alright guys, this is the ignition coil. It's the coil pack, so it's 13. 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts. So it's right there. So we just have to take up the heater hose, move it a little bit up, some more around here. As long as we get the, here we go. As long as we have the, once we have that. And then I'm gonna take up that ground right there. I think that's 12, and then move this one a little bit, move all of those so we get the space. First take up the ground there, and then take up all of these bolts. I didn't expect that. It's a long one. Guys, what I did is to take up the whole ignition coil packs, so I have more room later to take up the spark plugs. right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the torque for this, it's 26 to 30 foot-pounds. All right, I'm gonna start taking up everything. First one. There you go, it looks burned out. That's the first one. It's auto light, so I think it's just regular auto light, but the one I bought it's radium. It's more higher quality. There you go. One. Oh yeah, third one is burned out. See that? Yeah, this one too. I think pretty much everything is burned out. On the last spark plug on this area, I think I'm gonna use the shorter spark plug socket because there's not enough space. All right, so I'm just gonna show you what I have. Just gonna get my tools. Guys, I got right here shorty, so I'm just gonna set up my camera. Okay. Alright guys, it's all burned out, and then the oil dipstick get broken. I want to show you the first one. You see the tip? See how like they are? See how big the tip? This one, that is regular spark plug. Compare from the radium. See the tip of the radium is really small and sharp and pointy. Those are iridium. You'll see the difference. There you go, guys. See the difference of the tip? So yeah, always get the iridium one. you have more benefits of doing the iridium spark plugs. Always do the hand tight or the hand threads when you're doing the spark plugs, just to make sure you don't cross thread it. Alright guys, I'm ready to torque the spark plugs. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to torque them to 28 foot-pounds. I don't want to go 30 because it says like from the ALLDATA 26 to 30 foot-pounds. Okay, I'm done with the second one. Now I'm on the third. Okay, fourth one. Okay, change to smaller. Okay, last one guys. Okay, that's good. And I'm ready to put the action coil and start the car. Alright guys, so everything is all set. I'm just gonna put that, put the bolts. It's a long bolt. And also, I'm not gonna forget, I have the ground wire right here. I'm gonna install that. One more bolt. 13. Just gonna type that one. Okay. All of these hoses. Oh, before I put that, get this ground. Okay, should be good. Okay. Put my, and unfortunately this one is get broken. Just gonna get that for now. Okay, everything's good. Install everything. Sorry for the glare. Just gonna start the car. Let's start the Alright guys, so it's running good now. What happened is one of the boot from the last cylinder, from the 6-cylinder, I did not really like put it into the spark plug, so that's why it's like misfiring so hard. So now it should be fine. Now I'm just gonna worry about the check engine. I know it's a misfire, and then I scanned the codes before. It's an O2 sensor. All right, so it should be. And then this one, I'm gonna still try to diagnose this one. I bought the oil pressure gauge. All right guys, so yeah, that's how it is. It's easy basically. So the bolts for the ignition coil are 13, and the spark plug for this one is 5/8. So you need like the longer one and then a shorter one. The short, like 3-inch from the all the way to the end, because there's no space from the cylinder number 6. It's better just to get also the what you call this, iridium. I get the spark plug from Rock Auto. They're really cheap. I'm gonna put the link on the description later on once I'm done with this one. All right guys, thank you again for subscribing to my channel and watching my video, and thank you for all the support. Thank you guys. I'll see you soon.